And now, straight from the whiteboards of Coverdale, it's Dr. Hallam.
Good morning, Coverdale. It's Friday morning, it's a half day, and we're so excited that we've made it through another week, but we're also excited for another reason today. For the first time ever, we're going to be going through our PBIS award winners for the first trimester. Now, these kids are kids that have met or exceeded our expectations in a lot of different areas of the building, and we're going to specifically focus on a lot of kiddos who are really showing us what it means to be safe in the classroom. We know that this whole trimester has revolved around keeping us in school, taking all kinds of precautions to make sure we're safe in a lot of different areas, and so we're really, really proud of these kids that we're going to announce here in just a few moments. For really showing us what it looks like to be safe. So as we go through this, we're going to have a lot of guest speakers from the building reading names, and so we're excited about that. So why don't we go ahead and get started?
Hi guys, I'm Nurse Farron, and I am about to present an award for those students who have been exceptionally safe, and I'm very proud to do so. In kindergarten, we have Hunter Smith, Alice Greco, and Jamie Capps. Great job. First grade, Georgia Beckerly and Naomi Lehman. Second grade, Addie Williams, Hazel Brodeur, Hunter Hanks, and Brinley Fleming. Third grade, Aiden Vanda Warsenberg, Brielle Bubenick, Charlotte Lorenz, and Addie Vanda Warsenberg. Fourth grade is Christian Worthy, Mackenzie Thomas, Blessing Smith, and Fiona Lehman. Amazing job being safe, you guys.
All right, guys, we just had our first award, which means we get to stand up and cheer on the count of three. We're gonna say, oh yeah. 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah! Oh yeah. Hi guys, in the next category, we are going to announce our math awards. In kindergarten, we have Jazara Littleton, Autumn Williams, and Jackson Lauer. In first grade, Sierra Kuhn, Wyatt Kinder, Caden Ayana, and Aaliyah Baker. In second, Kennedy Hawkins, Reed Flanagan, Jack Bell, Nolan Hedges, and Lily Bush. In third grade, Noah Keller, James Toohill, and Anna Marie Garrison. And in fourth, Renaya Darden, Abe Jones, Brighton Wester, and Colton Thurman. Great job, guys. All right, guys, so we're gonna stand up and do a cheer. Let's go, L-E-T-S-G-O, let's go, let's go, let's go. Good job, guys. Everybody sit down. Oh, yeah.
Hi, everyone. I will now give the awards for amazing students in the area of ELA. In kindergarten, Samaya Schilpacher, Kendrick Wilson, Luke Potter, and Kaisa Fulton. First grade, Carter Wilson, Luella Wolz. Second grade, Jonna Walker, Amelia Artman, Eli Hay, Savannah Mills, Carly Washpin, and Max Munson. Third grade, Addison McAllister, Rose Huber, Michael McGee. Fourth grade, Sam Hansbon, Willa Wynn, Roe Beckerly, and Tristan Meyer. Way to go, guys.
All right, guys, it's time to celebrate our next round of awardees. So stand up and say, you did it, you really, really did it. Now sit down and get ready for the next award. Oh, yeah.
And our next round of awards is from our specialty teachers. In reading, we have Sawyer Boyd, Leo Bajanki, Olivia Kyle, Nolan Boyd, and Connor Buchanan. In PE, we have James Middleton, Ben Ross, Emma Wynn, Olivia Hamby, and Meredith Case. In art, we have Gabriel Hambrink, Brooklyn Williams, Chase Lang, Kenley Thurlman, and Landon Noah. For music, we have Kanye Bush, Amelia Rateliff, Jack Bell, Lillian Thurman, and Bradley Dudley. Way to go! I'm so proud of you guys! Wow!
All right, guys, let's stand up and cheer. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Now sit down.
You'll never guess what's next. You'll never guess what's next. You'll never guess what's next. Have a seat. Shh.
All right, guys, and so for the final award today, these are our Big 3 award winners. So what this means is these are the kids that every single day go above and beyond to show every other kid at Coverdell exactly what it means to be safe, to be respectful, and to be responsible. So these guys encompass all 3 of our Big 3, and they show us what it looks like each and every day. And so we're so proud of these kiddos for showing us what it looks like to be the model students of our Big 3. So without any further ado, these are our winners, one from each class in every grade level. So for kindergarten, our kindergarten winners are, for the Big 3 award, Ruby Broder, Isaiah Myers, Emily Hallam, and Brenly Nichols. Congratulations, kindergarten students, our Big 3 award winners in kindergarten. For our first grade Big 3 award winners, we have Jax Deutschman and Taylor Williams. Great job, first grade Big 3 winners. For our second grade students, we have Audrey House, Eliza Burmeister, and Kenzo Wilson. Great job, second graders. Third grade students, Sarah Kolodicek, I think I got that right, Kolodicek, Kennedy Meyer Peter, and Emma Bell. Great job, third grade students. And finally, for the leaders of our school, our fourth grade students, our Big 3 award winners for our fourth grade classes are JC Finnegan, Piper Riddle, Sedona Kuhn, and Josh Crenshaw. Congratulations, guys. We're so proud of you for this accomplishment. Thank you for being an example to all of us on what a Big 3 student should look like at Coverdell.
Big 3! Big 3! Big 3!
So thank you, guys. I know our assemblies look different this year because of the nature of how school is, and we honestly can't wait till we can all gather as a school community in the gym together. But until then, we're fortunate that we can meet like this over our video screens in a virtual format. And I do want to bring attention to one thing real quick. You've seen us stand in this spot for the entirety of this video, and this sign next to me says, when you're kind, it not only changes you, it changes the world. But I think this should be reversed, because when you're kind, we know that it helps everybody and that it changes the world. But I think the piece to remember is that when we're kind, it also changes who we are inside, and it makes us better people. So continue to be kind to each other, because that's the most important thing. We're so proud of you for what you've done thus far this year, and we look forward to a continued positive school year. Have a great day, guys, and have an amazing Thanksgiving.